Hello there. Well, the winning streak continues, and I'm super happy about this. Managed to make over $1,700 in profit across multiple funded accounts. But the good thing again is that this has not been copy traded. So, yeah, quite a few trades, but still traded the accounts separately. But the best thing, and I'm gonna summarize what happened here. The best thing today is I have secured a payout from my funded futures. I'm super happy about it. I'm gonna request $1,200, but I'm gonna wait for tomorrow and I'm gonna record it. So I'm super happy, and this whole day was just awesome. I really enjoyed the streams too. So what happened here in London is that I was pretty much sold on the idea that we should go down and close the new day opening gap down below 21,000 or 21k, exactly 20,997, as you can see right here. So in the London stream, I started to short. It didn't really turn out good. Then I started to go long, chop myself up a little bit here and there, but eventually what happened, I made about almost $176 loss on a my funded futures account, the same account which I requested the payout from. And then here it finally happened. We stepped into a 5-minute. If you look to the left on the 5-minute, I'm not gonna switch now, but the 21,138 level is basically kind of like a bearish order block or supply area up here. But as as the stream went on, we were talking about this, like if this one's gonna push, it should go into that level. So it went, and then immediately, not immediately, but shifted structure to the downside, leaving a fair value gap. Now we put on limit order, and this was a beautiful trade. It took for quite a while, and I took a partial in this fair value gap that was on stream, and after the London stream ended, the final TP was hit down there. So I was, it was here. I was actually super happy. But then also we were talking about the liquidity void, which happened right after the kill zone started. And so I re-entered the short as price was going down there. So I re-entered and I took the full TP at 2130. And that was actually the one that, you know, made it closer to the payout. So I'm not just closer, but actually to the payout. And after that, of course, we had the PPI news. Liquidity swept all over the place. And, you know, the AM session was pretty much just, you know, trading in a range here and picking up liquidity in an inside range. And the first fair value gap presented itself here at 934. So it was pretty much good. Scalped it here and there, took a few scalps, and also at the end, so I was aiming for 20,963.75 on a short here. Manually closed it, and then it went up there and started to short again after it has inversed the first fair value gap again and targeted this area, and then scalped again down to the 15-minute / 1 hour buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. I know it's quite a lot to take in, but I try to summarize it as quick as I can. And since then, we're just basically slowly taking the stairs down. Nothing special happened, but let me show you guys the account here. And this is really, 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 really awesome. This Apex account, I had no trade on it, but we're getting closer to pay out 1,747. The other one here, $333, almost at $2,000 in profit, so getting closer to pay out as well. This one made $143, and this one, no trade on this, 1,300 almost in profit. Oh yeah, this one made $204. These are the same accounts I'm presenting to you guys in the daily recap videos. So getting closer, and this one made 280. We have a bulenox account almost at $1,000 in profit. This one made 244, so up to 827 in profit. So still a lot to go. This one looks a little bit better, almost $1,200. So here comes the good ones. This My Funded Futures account made $204, so up to over $1,600. This account hit the daily loss limit 3 times. 3 times. I cannot state that enough. So, and this one is the one that made it all the way, to 2,600, which is not mandatory, but I wanted to secure at least $2,600 or $2,700. So I'm gonna request a payout from this tomorrow. I'm super happy about this. And still a lot to go. I'm trading with daytraders.com, but that's a different thing. I'm gonna talk about it later. So far, I am happy for the payout at My Funded Futures, and it was an awesome day. And by the way, I'm not gonna go into details, but after yesterday's recap video, I managed to make an extra $400 or $500 profit. So the accounts are looking much better today. I hope this keeps on going. This was a great day. Thank you so much. And the show goes on. All right, see you guys.